Welcome to the Nextron YouTube channel. In this video, the process of securing a sample onto the sample holder, precisely cutting it, and then placing it back into the chamber is described. To make full use of the in-situ Raman battery cell chamber, we recommend the cell cutter set. Then let's check it in the video. Remove the RBC 2E chamber bolts to take out the sample holder. Unscrew the aligner and holder bolt while raising the blade. Put the sample holder in the aligner. Lift the holder of the battery cell support block and push it all the way in. Unscrew the bolt on the sample holder. Detach the top part of the sample holder. Place the first anode and put the first fixing jig on top of it. Place the separator and put the second fixing jig on top of it. Place the other anode and put the last fixing jig on top of it. Place the top part of the sample holder back to the aligner. Use the tweezer to adjust the dish's position to screw the bolt. Tighten the bolts on the sample holder, but not all the way. Tighten the holder, but not all the way. Tighten the alignment bolt. Tighten the holder bolt and the sample holder bolt. Take the blade cover off. Lift the holder of the battery cell support block and pull it out to the middle position. Shear the aligned sample. Separate all the jigs and holders used to fix the sample holder and samples, and take out the sample holder. Prepare the cell precise cutter. Insert the sample holder with the side opposite the bolt hole facing forward, then tighten the bolt to secure it. Take the blade cover off. Position the blade directly in front of the sample, then quickly shave the sample. Loosen the fixing bolt. Insert the sample holder into the RBC 2E chamber and tighten the cover bolt. Thank you for watching.